Hello reefers, welcome back to MQ Reef, and today I have decided to make an interesting money saving video, rather $1 million idea which even I saw yesterday in BRS TV, in which Ryan and Randy were discussing the ideas. So what idea I have is basically the dozer idea that can save I think around millions, and this dozer cost only $1. This is 135 gallon mixed reef, MQ reef, which is in front of you, 18 months of years, all goals from very small frags. And from last 8 months probably I have shifted to calcium reactor. And the dozer I'm talking about is the Affluent dozer that I utilize is basically $1 dozer. And it is the most accurate dozer I have seen. I have used expensive dozers, but this one is proving to be the most accurate, most stable dozer. So let me show you what it is. Gentlemen, this is my sump. If you have been following me and seen my video, this is my simple sump, custom made, and this is my do-it-yourself, or not even do-it-yourself. It is basically an IV regulator I am using to employ over calcium reactor to dose effluent at a constant, stable and accurate rate. You can see how much salt creep is there on this simple IV regulator, but because I haven't changed it, it is so stable, so accurately dosing 14 ml since last at least 2 months. I did not to change the value of the its effluent because my alkalinity was spot on at 8.5. So keeping alkalinity 8.5, calcium 420 through this simple IV regulator at 14 ml. Previously it was 13 and then it was 12. I started off from 9 ml, and this is in front of you. You can see the salt creep over it, and basically I put it into my refugium because the effluent is CO2 rich and my chaeto is growing crazy because of the additional CO2 it's getting other than the nutrients. So I would suggest, highly recommend to use this $1 million idea, and basically a $1 idea to be employed over the expensive, very expensive doses people use to generally employ for their calcium reactors. Let me show you in detail. So this is my simple DCP 6500. This blue line is basically the return line, and this is the manifold. And out of the first manifold, I have opened up a little bit, used this simple RODI line, which is going towards my calcium reactor outside. Let me show you where it's going. This is my calcium reactor, Octo 140, and CO2 cylinder, and you can see. And the only expensive thing I think I bought this calcium reactor and this carbon dozer, and because it is supposed to be very accurate, pin free dosing, I did not to be worried about how it's dosing. You can see how it is dosing since last many months. This is my calcium reactor, and it is sending back the effluent back to the sump. Now let me also show you how much timing. 2.5 seconds per per bubble is my time. 14 ml effluent, and it's keeping me at 8.5 alkalinity. So from here, the RODI line comes back to my simple do-it-yourself degassing chamber. Any container can be made. It is basically an old Fosbang reactor that I'm using. I've just put in additional small pieces of coral crush here it is coming inside, from here it is coming outside, and you can see this dozer is dosing 14 ml. And also I'll show you it's calibrated in 1 minute. So I've just started calibration of or see the how much it is accurate. Just started off with the timer, and you can see this is dosing will be in 1 minute, and I'll show you how accurate it is. So till the time it is completed, this is my skimmer, not cleaned since I think last 3 weeks. It's a big cup. At the moment I am running it dry because I had some low nitrates, and having a mixed reef, I want them to be around 4ish. So
Three,
$1 million idea,
one.
$1 doser. It has completed 1 minute. The timer has just told us. Let's see how much it has been able to dose. Gentlemen, it has dosed 14 ml. As you can see, count the lines above 10, total 14 ml. And it's not today. This effluent is being dosed since the last 2 months. It has not changed anything about it. So to me, this is $1 million saving doser, which actually cost you $1. So think about it. Use this $1 million idea to a $1 doser. If you want to increase the dosing, turn this knob clockwise toward the right side. It will enhance the drops. And if you want to reduce it, turn it anti-clockwise. You see the old bark of nail polish is actually toward the left, because this line, this spot was aligned it was 13 ml, but here I had to move further towards right to make it 14 ml. And this can be dosed from 1 ml to 500 ml, even from this doser. So that is the beauty of it. So I hope this $1 million idea and basically a $1 doser is doing the job in the most accurate and efficient manner. This video I make basically for the reefing community to do simple setups without wasting a lot of money. Instead, waste money on your other items. Rather not wasting money, instead spend money on your corals instead of expensive doses. So hope you have enjoyed this small little video, and we as a reefing community has moved a step ahead in keeping our reefs very, very simple. So till next video, see you. Allah Hafiz.